Okay, this is a DIY project. Anybody who's out of state that wants to get this system, we can sell it to you. Pretty much it's a GPS and it has the starter kill from the phone. This is on a charger, 23 charger. I'm gonna go ahead and hit lock on the app. Okay, it takes a few seconds. Now give it a second, the car would not start. Go ahead. Car doesn't start, turn it off. And then if you hit unlock, and then you're able to start the car. Go ahead. All right. So in case some people go to the movies, or if you want to do a starter kill from the phone, if you're in a bad area and you want to do it, that's fine. I mean, I don't recommend doing it at every stop of the day. Nobody's going to steal a car in broad daylight, But yeah, if you want it once in a while, you want to go ahead and do the starter kill, you can do it. First year's free, and after that it's $30. What you do, you give us a call, we'll place the order, we'll ship you the equipment, and you'll get the installation video, and you can do this install yourself. Thank you for watching this video.